Let's learn action verb with tenses. Let's start. I ate. I eat. I will eat. I drunk. I drink. I will drink. I ran. I run. I will run. I walked. I walk. I will walk. I jumped. I jump. I will jump. I sat. I sit. I will sit. I slept. I sleep. I will sleep. I woke up. I wake up. I will wake up. I read. I read. I will read. I wrote. I write. I will write. I spoke. I speak. I will speak. I talked. I talk. I will talk. I listened. I listen. I will listen. I watched. I watch. I will watch. I looked. I look. I will look. I smiled. I smile. I will smile. I laughed. I laugh. I will laugh. I cried. I cry. I will cry. I sung. I sing. I will sing. I danced. I dance. I will dance. I play. I play. I will play. I studied. I study. I will study. I learned. I learn. I will learn. I taught. I teach. I will teach. I drew. I draw. I will draw. I cooked. I cook. I will cook. I washed. I wash. I will wash. I cleaned. I clean. I will clean. I brushed. I brush. I will brush. I combed. I comb. I will comb. I opened. I open. I will open. I closed. I close. I will close. I pushed. I push. I will push. I pulled. I pull. I will pull. I threw. I throw. I will throw. I caught. I catch. I will catch. I kicked. I kick. I will kick. I clapped. I clap. I will clap. I carried. I carry. I will carry. I helped. I help. I will help. I called. I call. I will call. I hugged. I hug. I will hug.
You are doing great, kids. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more updates.